Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable developer mode in Redmi Note 13. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. So all you guys have to do just go to settings and then we have option of about phone here. Just click on about phone. As you see, we have OS version. In Redmi, some of devices has MIUI version, but my phone is on Hyper OS, so I have OS version. So just click on OS version, so you can saw MIUI version here. Just click 7 times. As you see, you are now developer, so it's mean your developer mode is enabled. Now for confirmation, all you guys have to do just go to additional settings and scroll it down. As you see, we have option of developer option. Click on it and see the developer option is now enabled. This is how you can enable developer option in Redmi Note 13. And if you want to disable this option, all you have to do just close it, so there will be no developer option right there. So that's it about the video. Through this method you guys can enable developer mode in Redmi Note 13. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.